up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back with another lit video. You guys, hi, it's a red day today, okay? We're decked in red. All right. Today, I'm back with the part 2 of my perfume haul. December perfume haul. Yes. I got 5 perfumes. Okay, in addition to the first part 1, and I'm not going to be reviewing them in depth. I just want to show you guys what I bought. So let me know which one of them you want to see the review first, so that I'll make a full review on whichever one you guys choose. So the first one that we are going to be picking today is Mousuf Ramadi. In my first video, I'm going to put the link to that video down in the description box so you can check for that video. In the first video, I unboxed the first one, which was the original brown Mousuf, and oh my god, I was impressed. This is the second Mousuf. This is Mousuf Ramadi, the ash colored one. Okay, and this is in 25 ml. This is not in 100 ml. The first one was in 100 ml. This is in 25 ml. Okay, let us see how this smells. Okay, all right. Wow. It's giving me the same vibe of the first one, but with something fresher in here. Something greener. I'm telling you, it smells like another variant of Creed. Yeah. It's so nice. So soft, so warm. If a man wears this, my god, it's giving rich vibes, expensive shit, and it's calm. It doesn't attack your nose, it's not like too shouty. But when you put this on, you radiate opulence, like you radiate wealth. Man, I should do a full video on this perfume alone because it is that dope. This is nice. This is Mousuf Ramadi in 25 ml, the same smell as the 100 ml. Fresh and green. Those are the vibes I'm getting, fresh and green. Next, you guys, get what? I got Tafa abiyedh rouge. Okay, let us unbox it together as usual. Woo! Scissors. Okay. Tafa abiyedh rouge. I've heard a lot about this. I've heard that it smells similar to Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francisco Jean. I have the original Baccarat, and I also have Barakat, and we're going to compare all three, maybe in my next video or another video. Wow, okay, looks pretty. Okay. Nice cap. Okay, let us see what this smells like. Okay, I'm not very impressed with the atomizer, but okay. I can smell it all the way. Whoa. Sweet. That is what I get right off the top. This doesn't bother me at all. This is sweet. This is super close to the real Baccarat. Should I go and bring my Baccarat right now and do the comparison video right now? Wow. It smells exactly like Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francisco Jean. Yeah. Oh my god, the stuff is sweetness. Yes, you're getting that cotton candy vibes. Yeah. Bougie, expensive, cool, quality. Wow. Tafa abiyedh rouge, you guys. Tafa has just been busting brains. Like seriously, Tafa makes great perfumes. Let's not dispute that. Tafa makes great perfumes. Man, this is good. This is really good. On to the next one. I'm so excited about this one. I've heard tons about it, like Ragba, 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 buy Ragba. It's the best Arabian perfume, it's the best Arabic perfume, it's the best Middle Eastern perfume. Well, we're about to find out, right? We're about to find out. Okay, you guys, this is Ragba. They said it has a free deodorant spray inside, so let us find out. I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. This is the spray. They were not lying. This is Ragba for man. Okay. They put Ragba for man. The spray. I'm going to review this spray later. Well, this is the original Ragba. Oh my God, I've wanted this perfume for like so long. Like so long. I cannot wait to. The cap doesn't keep much, but okay. And the cap is quite light. I'm going to spray you here. Sweet. Right off the top is sweet. And it definitely smells like Bawadi. Yeah, check my last video, part 1 of my perfume haul and unboxing. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box. It smells like Bawadi. It has some incense in here. Some sweetness off the top. A little bit of oud. But nice oud. Not bad oud. Not oud that gives you headache. Nice. It's a smooth blend. So you get something like burnt sugar, caramelized sugar off the top. Then something cool. Like incense. Yeah, I think it's the incense. Then the oud is always there. I'm so happy. Yeah, this is good. No wonder people rave about it so much. Like if people rave about something, it's because it's nice, eh? This is nice. On to the next one. On to the next one. Can you get what the next one is? I play too much. This is Taffa. Ramz Taffa Gold. I heard that this one actually smells fruity. Like it smells fruity and nice and sweet, like a typical lady's perfume. Well, I like it. If it smells fruity and sweet, it's right up my alley. I don't mind at all. So this is Taffa Ramz Gold. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh wow. Okay. Look at that. Together, admire, touch, cool, status, wow, hot, love, you and me, wish. Okay. Taffa, okay. Well, the bottle caps don't really key well, but okay. Let us spray this and see what it smells like. Wow, it looks so sleek. I like it. All right. Okay. Let us see how it smells like. Let me know which perfume you want me to review first out of all this. Let me know which ones you want me to review first so that I'll pick each particular one and do a review, a total in-depth review of it, reading the notes and all that. Fruity. Fruity sweet perfume. Fruity sweet. No oud. This smells like Lamsat harir. Like, have you smelled Lamsat harir before? Okay, give me a minute. I'll get... This smells like this. Okay, maybe not 100% identical, but I'm getting the same vibe. You know Lamsat harir? I'm going to do a review of this one as well. But I'm getting that vibe. Pineapple, I smell pineapple. I smell some berries, something juicy, like honey. This has no oud. This is an Arabian perfume that doesn't have oud. It smells nice. I think it's feminine marketed. This is really nice. Fruity perfume. Fruity. I keep getting the fruits. Oh, you can use this to layer. Maybe if you're wearing like a stronger oud, like oud mood or Bawadi, you can just use this Ramz Gold and you just top it off, you know. You guys, the last but not the least, I'm excited. This is Sheikha Shuyukh Luxe Edition. I've heard so many things about this perfume, especially from that channel called A Fragrant Glance. Oh my god, she said this was her signature scent when she was in college. Like, for something to be your signature scent, that means you wear it like all the time and everybody knows that this is how you smell. I had to get it though. And look at that. I think you remove it like this. Oh yeah, I like this. Okay, I see you. Sheikh Shuyukh Luxe Edition. Sheikh Shuyukh Luxe Edition. Let us see how you smell. Ooh. I gotta get it right. Ooh, okay. It's gold. Oh my world. It's so pretty. It truly is Luxe Edition. This is come on. This is luxurious. Look at that. This is luxurious. It's luxurious. Now let us now see if it smells luxurious. Does it smell luxurious? Oh, nice cap. Okay. All right. Okay. Let us see. Sheikh Shuyukh Luxe Edition. Here we go. Okay. I don't like the atomizer, but okay. We're interested in the juice. I feel like I've smelled this before. It smells a bit like Bawadi by Asdaf. But there's something sweeter in here and powdery. This is sweet, powdery. The oud in here does not disturb at all. You can barely pick up the oud sense. It majorly comes ahead to me as fruity, sweet, powdery. Okay, maybe a tiny little bit of oud in the background, but that's not the first thing you smell. It's a sweet and powdery perfume. For me, it's sweet and powdery. And definitely luxurious. Man, if you're not into Arabian and Middle Eastern perfume, now is the time to key in. Oh my god, all these perfumes smell so expensive. Like, if you pass by me and you're wearing this, I'm going to ask you, what are you wearing? Yes, you have fruity notes at the top. You have oud in the background. They have some powdery notes in the heart. My god, this is a masterpiece. No wonder it was a signature scent. This is nice. It's sweet and nice. This was such a successful haul. You guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you have watched up until this level and have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for supporting me. Like, I really appreciate you guys. Whichever one of these perfumes you want me to review first, please type it down in the description box below and I'll definitely make a review dedicated to that one perfume. Okay, please like this video if you liked it, and until next time, ciao.